Alright boys, just to give you guys a little brief backstory to today's video, is a little bit all over the place because it's pretty much clips from yesterday and partial clips from today. Today is Wednesday. I haven't been recording consistently or posting consistently because I'm moving in a couple days and I'm dealing with that. I'm also dealing with me losing my job. I'm trying to find a job. Right now I have this landscaping thing that I am doing, but it's not a permanent job and it's not something I want to do every fucking day. You guys will see throughout the video. It was heavy on my body. I ended up giving myself a mild concussion yesterday afternoon, not because of work, but because of how exhausted I was and not paying attention. But at the end of the day, I'm recording this to show the people that are just like me that it's possible to do this. It just takes so much out of you. It takes so much out of you. Like right now, I gotta deal with my son, right? I'm a dad too, and I'm tired, but still, we gotta do these things. I'm done. Hi, baby. Like right now, it's Wednesday. I just finished my shift. I'm back home. I just hit the shower. I'm exhausted. And now I gotta clock into my second job of the day, which is being a father, right? I got a little 3-year-old who is a mess. He just be running all over the place and stuff, right? And I'm moving in a couple days, so it's been so much on me. But that's the reason why I'm recording this, right? Since I first started, I want to show people that you can change your life because I truly believe I'm going to change my life, and I see the glimpses of it. I lost over 50 pounds just by dedicating myself to my craft, by showing up every day, by being dedicated, right? And that's what built that accountability that pretty much reflects on my trading, right? I changed as a man. I became accountable. I became the highest version of myself, and it's paying off. 7 months after I started my journey, it's paying off now, right? It's a matter of time. Things are going to happen, but you guys really got to show up. Pretty much what I want to do right now is an intro for this video that is going to be clips from yesterday and today, Wednesday. We had amazing trades. We're one day away. I might spoil the end for you guys, but we're one winning day away from getting a payout. So these past 2 days we had W's. I don't have trade recaps for either yesterday or today. Pretty much I go live every morning, and with this schedule, I don't want to contradict myself. I really didn't have time to record a trade recap yesterday or today, right? And dealing with this concussion, like I'm all over the place right now. Come on, bro. But I give you guys my thought process before I take a trade. And for those of you who've been watching Discord, I already updated the settings, so we are safe and secure. We're good to go. But yeah, that's why I don't have no trade recap for that, and I also have to update my subscription on the platform that I was using. But yeah, I'm all over the place. I got a lot of shit to do right now. We're gonna go pick up some packages that were delivered to the other apartment, but we need them now. And yeah, I still got a lot of shit to do today, Wednesday. But now you're gonna see yesterday's pretty much morning to midday what I did. You're gonna see how I caught that trade when I was at work. It was a crazy trade, $328. And yeah, I'll see you guys back when I'm recording the end of this video and I'm done pretty much moving everything, right?
Welcome back to another day of my life. Right now we are looking at the market, about to go live with the team on the Discord. Just waiting on my things to load up. I don't know why it's taking a minute to load up, but we already have some areas that we want to see some reactions from. We got 9 minutes to market open, but I'll figure out my Discord situation because it's not loading up, and I'll catch up with you guys once we are in the trade. I have to go to work in around 2 hours, so yeah, I gotta make myself some breakfast right now. I'm a little bit all over the place because I stayed in bed for a little bit longer than usual. I am so fucking sore. Digging holes, moving shit, moving rocks and shit, bro. I fucking hate that. My back is killing me, but it's just another day, right? What happened yesterday is in the past. I gotta wake up energized and continue to keep on going, continue to keep on pushing. Another day on the charts. Just a reminder for myself, like, your body's aching from yesterday, so I better fucking go crazy in the charts because I don't want to be doing that for no longer, right? This is something that I know that will change my life. I just really gotta lock in, right? What I'm seeing right now, we have this 1 hour gap down here that we've had reactions away from. I've seen price has been pulling back into that zone. I want us to grab some momentum from this area, reverse and invert this 15-minute gap, targeting these equal highs up here. But we do have this 4-hour gap right here that price has been in and out from. So I am being a little bit more cautious with that. We've had a reaction away from it twice, yesterday's and today during London session. So I would want to be very cautious with that. But first, I want to see us invert this 15-minute gap right here. I'll keep you guys updated if I take a trade. But right now it's 3 minutes into market open. We're still waiting, but we're seeing this massive rejection from this 1-hour gap. So I just want the volume to kick in so we can pretty much enter. But I'm just observing right now, right? We missed our first initial entry. It was a good 100-point move. Right now I'm headed to work. I don't like to wear fitteds, bro. I just don't fucking like to wear fitteds, right? But it's hot as fuck, so yeah. But we missed, I don't even know what I'm talking about. But we missed the first initial entry. It was a short. We all wanted to see longs, but price just opened crazy today. Keep in mind it's Tuesday with no news, so I didn't expect that movement. But missed out on a good entry on the 1 minute. I'm not gonna lie, I hesitated for the simple fact that, I wanted to see a higher retracement. The market just opened crazy today, but it is what it is. But I'll still be on the lookout for more trades. Potentially right now in 30 minutes, I had a great call out yesterday for a trade at 8 a.m. So we'll see if we can repeat that today. But yeah, the market just fucked us up today, bro. There was a member in the team that pretty much called longs. I was looking at the same setup, but he got in pre-market, and when that shit opened, it was nasty. But I'll catch you boys later.
Man, it's fucking hot as fuck outside. Right now, I'm about to head back to the crib. We had a great trading day, $320 some. Bro, I just hit my head with the fucking door. My ears are ringing. I feel like shit. I'm tired, exhausting. Y'all gonna see, like, I'm exhausted, bro. I was digging a big ass trench. Today is Wednesday. I haven't been recording a lot. Yesterday I did have a minor, I want to say a mild concussion. It was hurting bad, bro, because, like, you know, like, this shit, my car's not that low, and I don't want to say I'm tall. I'm like 5'11", but I got in the car, I was tired, and where I was parked at the job site is like an uphill house, right? It was an uphill road. So I got in the car, hit my right side on this shit, and then I was holding onto the handle, and the first thing I did when I hit my head, like, the first initial reaction was to, like, pull on the door. So I ended up squeezing my head here, and I just had a minor, I want to say minor concussion. It felt like a concussion. I had concussions before where, like, I just felt like all dizzy and shit, but I'm good now. My ears were ringing all night. Heading to work right now. Great trade today. I know I shouldn't be trading news, but I was looking at the charts since 6 in the morning. I was seeing a lot of rejection from a 1 hour. It was a small 1 hour gap. I saw price retrace into the bigger time frame. My bias was bullish, but for market open, I wanted to see a retracement back into that area. I took some partials, securing a $200 win to be eligible for the payout. Pretty much I had my stops at break even for that runner, and I just wanted to see price push lower. But like I said, I was watching that area. I'll give you guys a better breakdown once I get home, but right now it's at the top of my head, and we ended up reversing back to the upside. I think we're still pushing. I think price ended up inverting that 4 hour gap. We do have FOMC today, so I think price might just drop after that shit. I don't fucking know, but I'm off the charts already, locked out for the day, $200 in profit. One more day for a payout. Hopefully we can get that this week. And yeah, man, it's been a tough week when it comes to my body. I'm exhausted, but like I said, I'm going to keep on doing this. I'm going to keep on recording. It don't matter what I have to go through. I'm still gonna find a way. But yeah, I'll catch you boys later. I gotta head to work. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I don't want to do this shit, but I don't let those words live in my mind, right? I gotta keep on pushing. And this bitch is heavy as fuck. So using my phone to record right now. I ended up grabbing a coffee because I'm falling asleep. I'm tired, bro. Ended up going to the UPS store. One of our packages was not delivered, so we're trying to figure out if it was stolen or not shipped yet, because we contacted customer support and they said it was updated too early, that the package is still in its way. So hopefully it's that. After this, I'm about to head home, pack up some stuff, and get some rest, bro. Honestly, I can barely walk, but I mean, we still got shit to do, right? Tomorrow's a new day, new trading day. Should be better market conditions, but I'll catch you boys at the crib. Yeah, we got so much noise. All right, boys, it's currently 10:20 p.m. I'm exhausted. That coffee gave me a little bit of energy. You guys can see we got a lot of shit up there, a lot of packages. Throughout a lot of shit, a fucking mattress. And keep in mind, the trash at this apartment complex is like damn near half a mile away, bro. It's fucking far. There's only 2 trash bin containers at the corners of the apartments, right? So yeah, it was tough for me today. I want to apologize for having this video all over the place. Like I said, I'm managing this new job. It's heavy on my body. Managing trading, managing everything around me. I'm also moving, so it's a lot in my plate right now, right? This video is so short, even though it's like 2 days of content. You guys who've been following this journey, you guys know that I don't usually do this. This is not normal behavior from me, but like I said, there's so many external factors, but I'm still showing up, right? I'm still making time for you guys. Even though things are hard, I'm not letting it become a habit, right? I know that I have things to do. I did a lot of stuff behind the scenes. Like I said on the Discord, I worked on that, made it a safe space for everybody in the community. Pretty much added more security to that. It's way better in my opinion. That's something I really wanted to do and took majority of my time. But a lot of things were done behind the scenes that I'm proud of. My trading is getting way better. I'm becoming a better version of myself every day. And it's hard, trust me. It's fucking hard. But you guys have the same potential that I had. When I started, bro, I was over 200 pounds. Started working on my mind, on my body. I kept on showing up. There's a reason why I lost the weight. There's a reason why I am becoming who I am now. I prayed for this. I asked God every single day to give me the strength to continue to keep on pushing, to keep on elevating every day, to keep on inspiring many more people. I want to be a testament to those like me, those who work their ass off every single fucking day and deserve more and know they deserve more. You can do the same things that I'm doing. It's going to be hard. It's going to be complicated at first. It's going to be stressful. I had so many sleepless nights where I didn't believe in myself. Even now, I don't grasp the reality of what I'm doing. I'm reaching a lot of people. I'm changing more people's lives. And at the end of the day, I'm already a funded trader. Pretty much, I can say I'm a profitable trader now, right? I've been doing great and I'm not going to stop. I know my life is about to change in the next upcoming months. I always say this, and I've been saying this because, like I said, the law of attraction, manifesting all this shit, bro. I went through a lot to get to where I'm at. I changed my mind. I changed the way that I think. Trust me, trading is a self-development journey. I don't care how many people say that it's not about that shit, bro. It's a self-development journey. You gotta figure out yourself first in order to conquer the markets. You can't have bad habits. You can't lie to yourself if you want to become a profitable trader, if you want to become a successful trader. I don't lie to myself. I don't lie to you guys. If I fuck up, if I overtrade, if I do things I'm not supposed to, I tell you guys, right? But with that being said, I did take a couple trades on Nation session. I overtraded. I was down damn near $150. Brought myself back to, I don't want to say profit, but I'm down $20 for the day. I shouldn't be trading Asian session, but it taught me a lot about the market, and it pretty much showed me that I know what I'm doing. I know what price is moving. It gave me a better understanding of the market because Asian session is very choppy and slow. but it helped me control my emotions a lot. I shouldn't be trading Asian session. I just want the payout, but just slow and steady, right? Slow and steady wins the fucking race. Let's get to it, boys. Tomorrow I gotta go to work. It's currently damn near 10:30. Gotta wake up at 5 in the morning to pretty much do my breakfast, trade with you guys live on the Discord, and get ready for work, right? Another day, another opportunity to be the greatest version of yourself. It's hard. This is just testing me. This is God testing my strength, testing my faith. Like I said when I lost my job, God is going to deliver all the way through. My faith is bigger than anything. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep showing up. It's only the start of something great. And if I did it, you guys can do it too. I'm nothing special, bro. I really am nothing special. I have a free beginner's guide down below in the description. I have my free Discord where I trade live with you guys. If you guys want to join the community, you guys are more than welcome. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.